In this video I am going to show you how to install this LED light in your table. I am showing you these lights RGB. You have to face this IR connector near you so you can use this remote. If you hide this connection, you cannot use this remote. So as you can see, I have connected the controller and this 12 volt adapter with nails in this table part. So it's time to put the LED strip. I will be putting the LED strip down the table. I am not putting this in the side because as you can see there are lots of color, and if you use this below colors, if you use the color below, the two lights glow together, and if you want to get the real color you have to hide this LED. The LED lights should not be visible, they should be hidden. Now I am installing this LED light in the table. So as you can see, I have connected the LED strip and I have used this light in below so that it will not directly contact to my eyes. So when I am using the PC, and on this side also I have using this light below, but in the back side I have using the lights openly. So there are left this amount of lights. I am going to cut this from there, and you can also cut, and there is no problem in cutting this light from there, but when you cut the light you have to switch off the power before cutting.
Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new. Baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill. Sleep, never say you're sorry. Oh, maybe I'll leave, baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a